ॐ नमो नाद ब्रह्मा Namaste, divine friends. Whenever you learn Nada Yoga and bought a bowl from me, you are asking the same common question, how to maintain the sacred singing bowls. I like to share with you today. I keep telling in the class, but in general, I like to share with you some tips how you can maintain your sacred singing bowls. The very first thing is the most commonly asking when we got this new bowl, when we starting working with the session, other people, can we get the negative? Can this singing bowl hold any negative energy? The answer is no, because whenever you play, you are going to create a consecrated circle. Small, big, 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 enlarged. So many like these ripples go and give the effects of others on their molecules. And those molecules start changing there. If you are working with this singing bowl, consider it's a sacred instrument. Whenever you are playing, you should keep your mind focused on the chanting. Then your chanting, your energy, your spirit play with the singing bowl. It creates the same ripple, magnifies. Whatever you chant, it magnifies, magnifies, magnifies. This magnification can become chanting, or you can plan after this session where you go for lunch, dinner, whom to meet. This also creating this circle. So it's up to you. That's why here in the Nada Yoga training, we are how you can go into meditation, dharana. So dharana stage you have to reach and play this sacred instrument. And the second is, can we wash with the water the singing bowl? No, no need. Because in the top of the singing bowl everywhere they coated the thing. If you keep washing, the water will take away all this coating, protective. It's a metal ultimately. So it loses. It loses a kind of life. So please, don't wash with the water. Don't use any soap, any kind of thing. Don't use. And next, consider this instrument as a sacred instrument. Don't put inside because it's empty. You should always stay with the emptiness. Then only whatever you put, it can magnifies and gives to you. If you are not keeping this, putting inside any cloth or notebook, mobile, no, you lose. You lose intensity of this bowl. Ultimately, it can make the sound. don't create any magic to you. So please don't put anything inside of the bowl and keep a altar for it. It's a sacred instrument. You keep one bowl to your dining room, one bowl into the kitchen, one bowl to in the waiting room. So many room you have in house. You distribute all the bowl there. Whenever you see, you just go and touch it and stay, listen the sound. That is needed for the singing bowl. Not to keep and take it out once in a while, play for, do the healing. No use for it. You have to go every day. It has to give you so many things. You have to receive those gifts. So don't put anything dump inside. You consider it as a sacred instrument. So these are the very important thing you have to take care of the bowl. And the last, what happens whenever we give the session, the sweat drop there, any salty water touch the bowl, it create like this a kind of correlation, green color. And you have to take a zero paper, sandpaper, lightly you rub it out there and put any oil and just give a little bit rubbing there. Then you wipe it out with white cloth like that. That's enough for the maintenance. Don't rub like this. It's just like a correlation happened greenly. You just lightly, you just do like this, it will go. Okay. So these are the very important thing you have to take care with the bowl. This is the maintenance. If you can do, then this over the period you are using this singing bowl, it shows you what all it can give to you. So friends, I welcome you for this session. Enjoy and relax. Take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes. Feel the beauty within you. Whatever the beautiful moment you spend in your life, remember, keep breathing those beautiful moments. Bring a smile upon your face. How beautiful those moments. Dissolving yourself with those beautiful moments. Shanti. Shanti. Shanti.